Fast-rising dancehall artist Jahshii has announced the altogether cancellation of his Cream of the Crop 3-date UK tour, which had been rescheduled from March to April. The show's promotion began 12 weeks ago and was to feature his compatriot 450 and was scheduled for London, Birmingham and Manchester. Now on Saturday, Jahshii shared this post with the caption stating that, quote, "I would first like to apologize to all my fans and the supporters in the UK who were genuinely ready to support me on my UK tour, and a further sincere apology to those who have already purchased their tickets to see me perform live for the first time. I look forward to performing in the UK in the near future," end quote. On Saturday, Slouch Entertainment also shared Jahshii's post alongside what it captioned as a public announcement, noting that the Cream of the Crop tour had been cancelled and that all persons who bought tickets would be refunded. Jahshii is known for the singles Keep Up and Cream of the Crop. Now, the UK tour would have been Jahshii's first major overseas gig since his performance in Georgetown, Guyana in March. American rapper Future has finally announced the release date for his latest project. He made the announcement via Instagram, where he shared this photo with the caption 4/29 titled TBA. Fans have been gearing up for the release of the new project. The album will be the follow-up to his 2020 release High Off Life. Now, the rapper has been featured with other artists like Moneybagg Yo on the single Hard for the Next, as well as Drake's highly talked about 2021 album Certified Lover Boy. His last album, High Off Life, debuted #1 on the Billboard 200 and became the second consecutive album to debut in the #1 spot. Future is expected to announce the title of the album real soon. Now,